Good morning, welcome to day 30. I am sweating, if you can notice. I'm a mess. Hannah's over there. You may notice we're kind of in a strange place. That's because we're climbing up, and I mean climbing up. I think it's called Mount Beerwah. I think that's how you say it. But this is how far we've come so far. Don't know if you can see that. We were down here. We've climbed up. I couldn't film any of it because it's literally like straight up grabbing hold of stuff, and I had no spare hands. But we're only about halfway, I think, because we've still got to go pretty much all the way up to there. So yeah, it's definitely the highest and most difficult climb I've ever done. How are you finding it?
Yeah, I mean, it was difficult. Felt like a bit of a monkey swinging. But we're at the halfway point now, so we've just got to carry on.
Yeah, we've got good weather for it. It's nice and cloudy, not too hot like yesterday, so that's good at least. But once you get to these cliffs, you know the hardest part's over apparently. So luckily we've managed to tag onto a group who sort of know what they're doing, so we're sort of following them a little bit and they're helping us out. Here we are, we did it. We're 1,800 feet up, right at the top of Mount Beerwah. It's pretty windy up here, as you can tell by this, what's going on here. But yeah, it took us about 2 hours. Just gonna chill out at the top for a bit, check out the views. Actually, I'll show you guys, check these views out. Funny how high, you're right there.
I'm holding on.
Hold on, because it's a bit windy. Funny how high up we are. It's like the helicopters and planes are flying lower than we're actually at, which is kind of cool. So now comes the next challenge. We've been up here, which is all well and good, but now we've got to get back down. So right now, we're at the top, and we have got to get all the way down. I don't know if you can even see it. See that little tiny hut there? That's where we're going. That's where the van's parked. So somehow we've got to find a way down off the side. And while normally you're like, oh, getting down's easier, it won't take anywhere near as long, I've heard that it's just as hard, or if not harder, to go down than it is to get up. So wish us luck, and I hopefully see you halfway or somewhere down the bottom. We're back here, back at the halfway point. Easier coming down, quicker, but well, easier maybe not. Would you say it's easier?
It's easier in the sense that you're just kind of like quickly slipping between rocks.
But our hands are kind of shredded now. Yeah,
it hurts your hands and there's much more chance of slipping and falling to your death.
Alright, cheerful, cheerful. We've still got halfway to go, so thanks for that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. There's a bat cave down that way. Not the bat cave, Batman isn't there, but yeah, you could go down there, you can smell it, but it's like a pothole thing you have to get into, and I was like, I'm not about that life. Don't really fancy getting rabies or something, so yeah, if you're ever this way, when you get to here, go left and there's a little pothole, you'll smell them before you see them, so it's pretty easy to find. The whole time we've been going up and down, we've seen the same guy like a few times, sometimes going up, sometimes coming down. Just saw him again a second ago, running, like literally jogging up the mountain, and asked him how many times he's doing it. This is his 5th today, so he's just been up and down 5 times, and he's like jogging it as well. He's not like taking 2 hours. He probably gets up there in half the time we do. Some people are insane. All right, situation report, here's where we're at. So we've got to get all the way over to here, where this little hut is, down that way. So yeah, it's a pretty steep descent. I think we're just gonna go for the sliding technique. Treat it like one giant slide, and hopefully we'll be all right. Forgotten what it feels like, but it was definitely worth it. It was about 1,800 feet, I think it was, in how long? What's the time?
It was 4 hours total. 4
hours, so we're not the quickest obviously, but it was definitely good, definitely worth it. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoyed it, but I'm exhausted now.
Yeah, we're covered in dirt. Hands are scratched up and covered in dirt. What your hands look like? Oh, gross. So yeah, I think we're gonna head back to the van, wash up, and then clean ourselves a bit. And I think we're gonna crack open a cider. Definitely needed. Tastes so much better after you've been doing something difficult, something hard. It's probably one of the best ciders ever, purely because of what we've just done.